In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Royal Match Game. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you haven't done so already, go to your Player App Store and search for Royal Match. See, here it is here by Dream Games. Download and install it and then click on play. Then from here, we want to go ahead and create your username. So click onto user profile and then go ahead and create a new unique name. Then from here, it's going to give you a general stat. So your first try wins, helps made, helps received, areas completed, collection completed, sets completed. So this is all going to be basically 0 when you first sign up to this game. Now, in order to play, it should say level 1. I'm currently level 3 on this account. So go ahead and click onto that level and then click onto play. Now before you play, you can select boosters here, so as you progress higher in the game, you're gonna have boosters to select. I find it a little bit similar to Candy Crush, if you remember that game. So from here, go ahead and click onto play. So now it's going to kind of guide you how to play, so it's going to give you hints. So you got to match the different colors, and you can do 4 ways, 5 ways, etc. So if I go ahead and match that, that's going to give me one of these, and then if I match that with a TNT, that's going to pop all these TNTs around. So basically you want to match your colors, get as many of these TNTs, all those freckles, etc. So just keep matching, and then you got to clear obstacles, breaking chains of boxes. So we need to break these boxes to get to the next step. So basically I want to match that. It's a 4-way, so if I match those two, it's going to give unique abilities like that. So basically you want to swipe your tiles up, down, left to right to make a line of 3 or more matching tiles. Matching more than 3 creates those power-ups, as you've seen. So we can get the rockets, which is match 4 in a row, clears a row or column. TNT is match 5 in an L or a T shape, and now explodes nearby tiles. Light ball matches 5 in a line, removes all tiles of one color. And then you got combined power-ups for stronger effects. For example, TNT plus rocket equals big blast. So to get a light ball, I call it a freckle. So here it is here. I've just created that because we've got 5 in a row. Now we can match this with any color. So if I want to get rid of all the blues, I can do like that, and it's going to get rid of all the blues on the map. And now you can see a rocket just appeared. I can do another 5-way thing here, like a freckle and a rocket, so I can match those two. That's quite powerful. That's probably going to complete the level. Yep, just like that. So that's pretty much how to play early game. So it's going to say, well done, you moved on to the next level. You're going to get stars and all that stuff. You got your area progress. You can build foundations. So as you progress, you can build your castle. So now I'm going to go ahead and build the foundation on my castle. So you can see this happening here. Now it's going to say install gazebos. Go ahead and click on contour. Now from here, not enough stars. So what we need to do, we need to beat levels to earn those stars to build out the castle. So basically you want to earn your stars and coins. Now you can also join teams and events. So after level 20, you can join a team to chat and share lives. Also participate in special events like King's Cup or Sky Races to win certain prizes, and just basically keep advancing. So levels get progressively harder with new tile types and obstacles. So you can replay old levels to earn some extra coins as well.